Hi there, fellows. My name is Sultan, and today I'll be showing you Fastme.ai, how to install it into your WordPress. This is actually a WordPress plugin that turns your website insanely fast, as we have mentioned this on the home screen. So without wasting any time, let's jump into how to do it. So first, we have like features, about us, blogs, docs, pricing, contact, and then sign in. You just click on the sign in, and then you have like these options: enter your emails and passwords. I will choose always continue with Google. You just click on this continue with Google, and then boom, it's super fast, insanely fast. This is the dashboard. You click on downloads, and then simply you just download this plugin. Fastme plugin, latest version 2.1.4. Just download it, and it's downloaded. So what you're gonna do is to open the website on which you would like to install this plugin. So we have this website, rcmdaily.com. So we go to wp-admin. So this is actually already configured. This is my name and the password is already there. So I'll just press login. And then you have multiple options, which you need to go to plugins, install plugin and add plugins. So you click on the second option, add plugin, and then upload plugin. So there you have an option to choose a file. So we have downloaded this file. This is the plugin. You open it up, press install now. It'll take probably a few seconds. As you can see, this is installed. And then you have to enter the license key, which is, again, you need to go back to that my license. Just click on that. Click on the show license. Copy this. You go onto the Christian website. You paste it. Save license. As you can see, the status is active. This is the license key, and Fastme.ai is activated. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Thanks.